Today's math challenge is 3 raised to power of square root of log 7 with base 3 minus 7 raised to power of square root of log 3 with base 7. Let's see how to break it down step by step. Observe the first term, which we have 3 raised to power of square root of log 7 with base 3. And the second term we have 7 raised to power of square root of log 3 with base 7. The first term exponent we have log 7 with base 3. In the second term exponent we have log 3 with base 7. These two are reverse. So that's why I'm going to use one of the logarithm property, that is, if you have a log a with base b, we can write this as a reciprocal of reverse of this, that is log b with base a. Similarly, this log 3 with base 7, I'm going to convert in terms of this form, that is 1 over log 7 with base 3. The first exponent which has log 7 with base 3 and the second exponent log 7 with base 3 are same. 7 raised to power of square root of, I converted log 3 with base 7 in terms of this formula, that is 1 over log 7 with base 3. So let's write that 1 over log 7 with base 3. Now here we have log 7 with base 3 and here we have log 7 with base 3. That's why let us assume log 7 with base 3 as some variable a and convert in terms of this. This expression turns into 3 raised to power of square root of a minus 7 raised to power of square root of 1 over a. Log 7 with base 3 we consider as a. So use one more property, that is log, if you have log a with base b, if the value is equal to some constant n, then a equal to b raised to power of n, the base raised to power of n. We can write this logarithm property in terms of exponential. Similarly, 7 equal to base, our base is 3 raised to power of a. So here we have it 7. So this 7 we convert in terms of 3 because here we have 3. So that's why this 7 I'm going to convert in terms of 3, that is 3 raised to power of a. So let's write instead of 7 we can write 3 raised to power of a. Now we have 3 raised to power of a. So let's take only a. Here a is in square root form and here also a is in square root form. So that's why I'm going to convert this a also in terms of square root. So this a we can write it in terms of square root, that is square root of a power 2. After this square and square root gets cancelled, you left only a. So that's why instead of a we can write this as square root of a raised to power of 2. So let's take that, square root of a raised to power of 2. Now this 3 raised to power of this square root of a power 2 whole raised to power of square root of 1 over a, it is in the form of a raised to power of m whole raised to power of n. So we can write this as a raised to power of m times n, square root of 1 over a. So here square root and here square. So square root of a times square root of b, we can write this as square root of ab. So we can write this term as 3 raised to power of square root of a square times 1 over a. Denominator a and numerator 1a gets cancelled. So you left only 3 raised to power of root a. And here also we have 3 raised to power of root a. So here 3 raised to power of root a minus 3 raised to power of root a, which gives 0. So the result is 0. That's it. So this result is 0. So like that you have to break it down and solve for the solution.